guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent unboxing. This is their monthly subscription, and this one is for August, and it's for Alaska. So every month is a different state, and it's a lot of fun. We have a map here in the background where you put little stickers so you can see what destinations you've got before. Ooh, so the scent this month is Wild Berry Lavender Ice Cream. That sounds delicious. It smells really good too. I can smell it already. So let's take a look at the candle. The subscription comes with a giant candle with at least a $40 ring inside. Nice lid. That smells like a certain incense scent from when I worked at Spencer's, like in high school. I was a manager there. This smell, it's one of those things that just brings back a certain memory, and it reminds me of when I worked there. I'll have to keep smelling it and see if I can think more specifically which one it was. But we have our sticker, so I'll go ahead and put that on. It's just out of frame. It's right here. And the extra item we got this month is some wax tarts, which is also cool because I used to sell Scentsy, so I recently got rid of all my stuff that I had been keeping for I don't know what reason. Way too many bars for me to ever use. So I like that I got one of these because I ran out of wax, and now I don't need to go buy one because I have one here. So these ones do not have a ring in it, only the candle does. So I'm going to go ahead and start burning this, and I will be back to show you what ring came inside. Okay, so just took it off the warmer, and the ring's over here. This candle smells really good. Jackson, do you want to come smell the candle? He's ignoring me. It does smell like blueberry, but when it's mixed with the lavender, I don't know, it's a really good scent. I know I mentioned it was familiar before. There was like a incense that smelled like that. Okay, so it feels like a smaller ring this month, so that's good. Let's take a look. A pink stone. And PP36, so I think that's just the $40 code. I always double check that though, just to make sure. This is probably one of my favorite scents recently, at least. It smells really good. That's cute. So it has some detailing on the side. Really nice looking. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up, and I will be right back. So here's a better view of it. It did appraise for $40. Jackson's in the other room playing. He didn't want to be a part of my video. I even waited to film this, and he's like, no, I'm fine. So he doesn't want to be a part of it this time, but that's all right. He just started school, so he's like super tired and a little crabby when he comes home, so maybe he'll join us next time. But I really like this ring. It looks very well made, and it's nice and sparkly. So that's what I got. If you guys want to sign up for a subscription, I'll have all their information below. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.